What you're seeing is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and there's a potential head and shoulders forming. So what are the levels that we need to monitor in order for us to say na, yeah, we're already safe? And what are the levels na makikita natin na may possibility that the bears will take in control? So ito po yan. Head and shoulders is a bearish reversal pattern if it breaks the neckline. Saan po ba yung neckline? Ito po yung neckline. The neckline is at 108,000 plus minus. Pwede mong isagad dun sa 106 yung low. Depende kung saang chart ka nakatingin, anong exchange gamit mo. But more or less, nandoon po yung area na yan, ang neckline, 106 to 108,000. A daily close below it, makikita natin na there's a probability na mag-step up yung mga bears and push the price lower. So, ano naman dito yung level para masabi natin na, ay, safe na kami. Safe na tayo, tita. Alright, ito po. Yung left shoulder high, which is around 118. Remember, this is our SR flip area also. So, ito kailangan natin i-take out to. We need to take this out. Close above it daily, number 1. Number 2, confirm it, meaning to say, mag-trade ka, green candles above the 118, probably will revisit 125,000 again. So right now, ano po sinasabi nitong chart na to? Sinasabi din ng tipay natin, we need to wait. Bakit po? Sa tipay trading system, wala pa tong entry. Wala pa po yung green dot. Although may green cloud na tayo, may green candle na tayo, ayan na po. Pero walang green dot eh. Ibig sabihin po, yung mga bears hindi pa exhausted. Hindi pa exhausted. So I don't know. Maybe yung bears lalabas, ma-exhaust yung bears, yung green dot, maybe dito lalabas sa 106. I don't know. So yun yung inaantay natin. Once na makakita tayo ng green dot, and then kasi marireset ito eh. Mag-aantay ka ulit ng green candle eh. Okay? Green dot and green candle, pasok tayo for our swing trade. But without that, we need to wait. We need to patiently wait for that setup ni Tipay. Follow for more Tito Moves.